there, guys. I get some shopping done.
All that same brand?
Yeah.
They're sort of more your covered in toes, but you want to open toe.
Give me a look. Hey, he's a wild-looking little fella, isn't he? Eh?
It's an island. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah. It's an island. Boy.
Yeah, that's one. That's that one, Dad.
Yes, mommy. Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel.
Yeah.
Yesterday, guys.
Yeah, Big Mom to work.
We have here
A Big M to work.
Island Boy.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Big M to work.
Yes, sir. So what are we doing today?
We're going shopping.
Yes, sir. So that's what's up. So the plan is today. Right now I'm currently in Lismore Shopping Square. Yeah, so you know it's Christmas season right now. The place look busy. What I really want to do today is go get my wife something, you know, as a Christmas gift, and also something for Island. And I also want to show you guys what the vibe is like here during the Christmas period, you know what I mean? So yeah, definitely it's gonna be busy. From what I'm seeing, the place look busy, and right now it's just what 10:30 in the morning. So we are gonna do that, do a walkthrough and thing like that, and who knows, I might show you what I get in this video, or I might not. But if not, this will just be a video of just showing you the vibe, the energy, what people are doing, what they're buying and thing like that, you know what I mean? So stick around for this video. Yes, man, let's get into it. So here we are, Lismore Shopping Square. It's Christmas period. Island Boy going up. Alrighty, looks busy already. Okay. Wow, busy Christmas period. Let's go this side. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Everyone's out and about. Just have a look until I find something for my wife and for Island.
Come next time.
Much more busier than normal for real. Good, Bobby? Shoe store. There's a food court straight ahead. Taking picture with Santa. It's a big long line. Island. Where should we go? Where you wanna go? You wanna go there? Alright, let's go in here first. Yeah, we're gonna go here first, okay? Faster? Alright, let's get a trolley. Wanna sit in a trolley? You gonna follow me? You stay very strong, eh? Okay? Alright, thank you, mate. Island. Got a trolley. Oh, here we go. Good now?
Yeah.
Right. Around the place fully busy. Big W is not that busy. Well, it is. Oh, let's go down this way.
On some Louis books there.
Yeah. Down here is the ladies section, yeah?
On some Louis passing too.
What's that?
Louis passing too.
Okay.
Louis dad.
Let's go in here for a bit. That's some nice stuff here for females, eh? Hey, Bobby. What should we get mommy?
This one.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's buy it.
I'm thinking what she would actually like, you know what I mean?
It's $50.
$50? No, that's $12.
Oh, $12.
Yeah.
No, that's $50. $50.
So my wife wears size 9, so I'm trying to think, you know, because it's hard to me choosing for female. You don't know exactly what they
I bet mommy sees
like. We're gonna walk around a bit more.
Baby. Ooh, 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 ooh,
See something, but I'm not sure.
Sonic's shadow. Sonic can sit there.
Yeah.
You see that there? Sonic can sit there. You ready, Sonic? Get ready. Let's go. Na, 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 na. Hey, tail. Hammer. Being a wild.
Let's check for Island. See what we can get this for here.
It's $50. Is that? It's 50.
So I think I'll get him something as a gift and just buy him a few stuff differently. Oh, you like these shoes?
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
What's that one? Is that Paw Patrol?
Yeah, look.
Let's see. Oh, that's size 6. So this is the shoes that Island wants. Paw Patrol shoes. It's for $25. And look, he's actually wearing Paw Patrol slippers, huh?
Yep, mommy buy it.
Oh my god, everything Paw Patrol now. He's switching things up.
Yep.
First it was Sonic.
No, I'm Sonic.
Yeah. Alright, so that's one thing
I'm
already.
not Sonic. I'm Sonic. I'm not Sonic. I'm Sonic. Look, this Sonic the Hedgehog.
Sonic the Hedgehog, eh?
Yeah, he's was scary.
Let's keep looking,
They
Bobby.
have Sonic. They
Yeah,
have some
yeah, we'll
shit.
find it something. This one is big, Bobby. It's not your size. See? I'm looking for your size. Oops. Let me find your size, Bobby. Hey. Iron, today is a different day. You have a whole heap of tie. Today I'm not tie day.
Please, Dad.
No,
Please.
today is not tie day.
Please, Dad.
Size 3, Iron, look. Look. Look.
Yeah.
Wait, don't grab it. You like this one?
Yeah, I like this one.
You sure?
Yep.
Sonic,
Yep.
size 3. Oh, they come like a double. It's two of them, Island.
Yeah.
Look at it. Open it up.
Look,
What else?
this Sonic.
Yeah.
That's mine.
You want these two?
Yeah.
Alright. Grab them. Oh, these look so nice. It's like everything the same want right now.
What's up, Louis Toys, Dad? I'm toys. Louis Toys, Dad. There are some Louis Toys.
Louis toys.
Yeah, I want some Louis Toys.
Louis purse. Oh, this is the
Dad.
girls section. Eh?
Dad. I want some Louis Toys. Dad.
Let's go back to where I saw the shoes for the females. So, let's see.
Let me have some Louis Toys.
Alright, just wait. So hopefully guys I get her style of shoes right. You know what I mean? So it's between something here I wanna choose, but I don't know, you know. Thinking something like this. Yeah, I think I might get it. And then get something else. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? I know she don't really wear high heels like that, but this could be something she would like. Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, this one is messy. Another one. Size 9.
Not on my side. Yeah, you
What else should we look at?
Yeah, that's good.
I need a toothbrush. I need a toothbrush.
On some blueberries.
Oh. You already have toothbrush, mister.
On some blueberries.
Alright.
On some blueberries. On some blueberries.
Ultra soft.
Brushing teeth.
Wait, Island, let me look.
Something.
Island, let me look, please. Relax.
Dad.
Relax yourself, Island.
Dad. Please, Dad. Please. Please, I want mine. Please, brushing teeth, Dad. On some blues brushing teeth.
want? This one?
What?
Bluey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Attention, can we actually check section 2, please?
I'm gonna have some Bluey's toys too, Dad.
Island, listen to me.
Yep.
Need another shear. The other one have not working. Oh. I did have one like this, guys, and it completely stopped working. So I need something else. I'm gonna get this one. Okay, here we go. You good, baby?
Yep.
Yeah.
You have eyes out, your boy. Hey, Sado.
Hey, Sonny.
Catching my small sis last morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See what's on this other end. I wanna get him something, maybe like a book, you know, as a gift. So I'm gonna see if I can find that. Yeah, I'm already full of ties, guys, so I'm not gonna buy him no tie today. I care how him want to cry. But yeah, let's look for something. Huh?
I'm more thinking Izzy now.
I'm looking, Bobby. Looking for something. I don't know if I passed the books already or what. Alright, so let's go pay for these and move on to somewhere else. See what we can find. Oh my god. This is the worst mistake. One piece of line there up here, so. What am I doing today, man? Line long. Worst mistake I come this time. Yeah, no star.
Let me have some Louis toys.
Yes. Alright, back into the busy street. It's getting more busy as later it gets. Squares are busy bad. Alright, I'll come back, Bobby.
Dad, please. Please, Dad.
Island, we're coming back. Here. I think I'm gonna get to a perfume. Here. Hello there. I'm looking for a perfume for my wife.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Do you know what, if she likes floral or something a bit sweet?
something sweet, but I can't really say exactly it's
Yeah?
what should I choose. But
I'll throw a couple at you and see what you think.
yeah,
That smells good.
it's nice.
See if those CKs around the car. So something, there's like some muskier ones.
It's different.
Yeah. But also for something a bit more floral, it could be like the Ariana Grande Viola or the Jimmy Choo. Yeah, the Jimmy Choo.
It's very sweet.
Yeah.
How much for that one?
That one's down to $37.
Alright, let me try another one.
Pardon?
Try another one.
Yeah. Of that same brand.
Yeah. That's good too.
Some of these Jimmy Choo ones. That's like.
Yeah, that's good. I think I'll go with that one.
That one?
Yep.
Anything else for today?
No, that's it.
All good.
Question, where can I get stuff wrapped?
We can't unfortunately wrap it in store, but there's possibly like sometimes they have stalls around the square
Yeah.
that will wrap stuff.
Okay.
But I'm not quite sure.
Okay, so if I keep looking, I'll find something.
Pardon?
If I keep looking, I'll find
Yeah,
somewhere.
hopefully, yeah. I'll just bring this up.
Yeah. Righty, so get her a cologne and her shoes. And that will be that.
She's just holding on to that until.
Alright, thank you. Which one? Just good time, just the cologne. Yeah, this.
Which one was it?
That one.
That one?
Yeah. So here we go again. Got her the perfume. Now I'm looking for somewhere that will wrap it. So that's the next challenge. The wrap stuff here. Now let me go in Kmart first. Where the kids section is, I don't remember.
Like this one, Dad.
Yeah.
Like this bluish. Let me have it, Dad.
Just wait, Tyler. I'm looking for something. Got him some stuff.
Daddy,
Yes.
let me have my mystery box. That is cool. Let's go.
This one. Alright, I think I got what I need for you, Mr. Island.
I want some. I want that.
Yeah, this is what I've been looking for, friends. Island. Yes. Island, just wait.
What's it? Dad, go over there. I want some more.
Just wait.
Ew.
Let's hope getting out of this, out of Kmart is gonna be easy. Let's hope some of it. Oh, the line them
Dad, let
terrible.
me have this one.
Island and everything you see I get.
Please, Dad. Please, Dad.
I said no. Busy bud. Yeah? Alright, let's go. Oh, can get it wrapped here. Nice. Hello. I need a few stuff wrapped.
Do you have other things to be wrapped?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that just on its own, just like that?
Just these together?
Just together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Do I pay for the wrapping?
Yes, it's a gold coin donation. So,
Oh, it's a coin?
well, if you've got a note, you've got a few things to be wrapped. Have you?
I only have card. I didn't know it.
No, we don't do card.
Oh shit. Where can I get
An ATM there,
right
or
there?
yeah.
So how much do I take out?
How many presents have we got?
This one and this one?
Yeah, just the two of them.
Yeah.
A couple of dollars would be enough if you can. Or do you want the other present, other things wrapped that are there?
No, just Alright, so we got the present wrapped. You know, hopefully wifey will like it. You know, so got her a perfume and her shoes, and that should be good, yeah. So I have to go pick her up from work as well, so just walk around a bit more, show you guys the vibe.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they did have nice shoes there too. This is where I should have came.
La 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 la.
And we'll leave the ice line.
So we're in Cole's supermarket. Sorry. Trying to get a coffee for my wife. What she wanted. I feel like I need to go back to that shoe store, guys. Felt like I should have looked around some more.
Can you help me? Daddy, I want some pink orange rose there. Dad,
Yes.
I want some toys, Dad. I want some toys, Dad. Dad, let me have.
It's the coffee. Oh, they keep it up at the front, so I just pass through and see.
Dad,
Yes.
let me have Peppa Pig's presents.
Island, I got you something. Chill. Trying to remember the coffee that my wife normally gets, because I'm not a coffee drinker. Oh, I don't know, something looking like this. She always get. Hello.
Nice.
So I think I'm gonna go back to that shoe store. You know, it's not a problem if I get her something extra. Because those shoes that I just seen look really, really nice. Good, Bobby?
Yeah.
Okay. Get out of here, you know? Not too like crowd, you know?
Let me have some ice cream too, Dad.
Alright. Hello. I'm good, thanks. I'm just looking for shoes for my wife.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
What sort of ones is she after?
It's like she called it like a high platform, but not really high heels.
So, okay, so not really high.
Yeah.
Okay, so dressy,
Yeah.
like a real dressy.
Yeah.
So more of a sandal, so a
Yeah.
yeah. So something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, so you've got those types of ones. So a little bit higher. Yeah, so that's too high.
No.
She does wear them, but it's not really her style. So
They're sort of more you covered in toes, but you want more of an open toe, like a sandal.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's that's sort of closed in. What about something like
Who about you?
oversized, it's nice solid heel, but not too
Who
high.
about you?
yeah.
Zip down the back.
Hello,
Size 9. How much?
Yeah,
much for
something
that
like
one?
that. So size 9, you're
Yeah.
you'll like that one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'll see what I've got. Have a little look, see what else that you might like.
Yeah, okay.
I'll be back.
That section look really nice. Yeah. So we're there, guys. I get some shopping done, you know what I mean? Huh?
Thanks for my toy.
Yeah. It's Sonic toy. And when the place busy one way. Yeah, wait for it. Alright, so we get everything we need. We get our shoes. So
Sonic spinning round.
that's two shoes for her now. So
Round, Dad.
that should do it.
Sonic spinning round.
Okay.
Sonic spinning round to work.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sonic.
So we'll just have a walk around until
Sonic hits
we get to the car.
Sonic hits Sonic hits
We actually passed here before, guys. I didn't realize this place that confused me, you know. Anyway, enjoy the view. we did pass here. I didn't realize, guys, but anyway. Hide and look. Side shot.
How are you? Nice little fella, you go, mate, good. Hey, that me look. Hey, he's a wild-looking little fella, isn't he? Hey, there you go. 2 more sleep centers coming to your place with some nice toys. He's on my good list, eh?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
You hear that, Bobo? And Santa Goodness. I want to get something, but this place is packed, man. I don't have time for this line right now, to be honest. Honestly, it's too much. Let's just get out of here, Bobby. Let us go. Cut back through this section. Let us go.
My little cousin.
I hope you all enjoyed watching. We are out of here. Here we go. And we are outside. Alright, beautiful people, I hope y'all enjoy watching today's video. You know what I mean? I feel like me get the gifts them where, you know, babes with a love, and me get a few things for y'all and a few books, and yeah, coloring book mainly, and yeah, I'm getting my shoes and 2 shirts. So yeah, today is really busy, as you guys could see. So me is a youth, I really like crowd like that, you know what I mean? So yeah, me get anxiety when me in a crowd for too long, you see me? So I'm glad me out of there, me out of there. So yeah, head home now, I'm gonna pick up babes, cause me have it's after 12 now, so me have yeah, pretty much hour, you see me? So, and to get back to casino is half an hour drive, so I definitely have time. Yeah man, but give thanks for watching, guys, and hope you all enjoyed. Yeah man, cause right now me have a good length of holiday. You know, me have from today Saturday, and me now go back to work till Wednesday, so you know, we have some days for rest, and you know what I mean, enjoy the Christmas period. It's time to leave out of here now and head home. Get on them car. Head out of this place, you know. home time, Bobby.
Yeah.
Yes. Gonna get Island Boy something to eat, you know, and then...
I'm not hungry.
What do you mean you're not hungry?
No, I'm not.
I can imagine if it's this busy in the countryside, can you imagine the city? The city, even though I even saw it on the news in Sydney. Right now it's hard to drive in Sydney. Honestly, because of the Christmas. Everybody out, the place just busy one way. You see me? Yeah, man. Seem like most people, they don't really shop in casino, because to be honest, casino look really empty. Lismore is where everybody goes to, because it's the only little town around here that has a shopping square where you can get most of the stuff you need. So you find that a lot of the people go there. The streets them busy. I think it's like that all around the world, eh? Whenever it's Christmas, everywhere just busy. Everybody out and about shopping. Sun turn up too. Good thing saying at the shopping center I did there, where the place cool, you know. Otherwise I would be feeling it. Oh man, oh we go. What was that, Bobby? Scary monster.
There's no more monsters.
No scary monster.
No more scary monsters.
Oh, bloody hell.
Don't be scared. There's no monsters.
The traffic one weird too, you know, man. Who make it so busy, man?
Night.
Why the traffic so busy, Bobo?
Night.
Yes, it is.
Night.
Yes, it is.
Night.
Pretty much out of the town area now. We just hit the highway, you know. We just hit the highway, you know, Yeah. Pure country road and farmland and all that. stretch going further. And so that is that. Give thanks for watching. Blessings all the time.